Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are embarking on an exciting exploration of abstract photography and its storytelling power. I am Eva Polak and I am delighted to guide you through this journey of visual imagination and emotion. In this first video of our two-part series, we will delve into the essence of abstract storytelling, uncovering how colors, shapes, and textures can evoke emotions and ideas. It's like creating poetry with your camera, every frame brimming with meaning. Let's dive in and discover the secrets behind crafting compelling abstract narratives. Abstract photography, it's not just about physical world. It's about capturing emotions, ideas, and narratives through visual elements. It moves away from direct representation and instead uses colors, shapes, patterns, texture, and light to evoke moods and provoke thoughts. Imagine it as creating a visual poem or a song that steers your audience rather than telling a literal story. At its core, abstract photography invites viewers to interpret the image in their own way, allowing each person to experience a unique emotional journey. Unlike traditional photography, where the subject matter is often immediately recognizable, abstract photography challenges the viewer to engage their imagination. It asks, "What do you feel when you look at this?" rather than "what is it?" Abstract photography is a unique medium that allows us to communicate powerful emotions without using words. It's like tapping into a universal language that speaks directly to the heart. By skillfully manipulating visual elements like colors, shapes, and patterns, you can create images that resonate emotionally and evoke a deep response. Let's explore how these elements can convey various emotions and set the tone of your photographs. Color is one of the most impactful tools at a photographer's disposal. It can quickly set the mood of an image and trigger emotional responses, often without the viewer consciously recognizing it. Different colors are naturally associated with specific feelings or psychological reactions, making them an essential part of abstract storytelling. The shapes you incorporate into your images can dramatically alter their emotional impact. Geometric shapes, organic forms, and their relationship to one another create rhythms and narratives that speak to different emotional states. Patterns are another powerful tool in abstract photography, offering visual repetition that can evoke a sense of rhythm, harmony, or even dissonance, depending on how they are presented. Repeated shapes, lines, or colors can influence the emotional response to an image. Light has the ability to influence the mood of an image more than almost any other element. The way light falls on a subject, the contrast between light and shadow, and the quality of light can all dramatically shift the emotional undertones of a photograph. The key to using these visual elements effectively in abstract photography lies in your ability to combine them to match the emotion you want to convey. Just as an artist mixes colors on a canvas, you can mix elements like color, shape, patterns, and light to craft a photograph that tells a compelling emotional story. Experiment with how subtle shifts in color temperature, changes in the patterns, or adjustment in the light can completely alter the mood of an image. In the realm of abstract photography, the magic of symbolism lies in its ability to convey complex ideas and emotions without the need for literal representation. Rather than simply showing things as they are, you can use symbols, single elements, subtle details, or carefully chosen objects to tell a story that goes beyond the surface. These symbols act as visual metaphors, offering deeper layers of meaning and inviting the viewers to engage in a more profound, interpretive experience. When you successfully incorporate symbolism into your abstract photography, the impact is lasting. Viewers are drawn to images that evoke deeper thoughts and emotions, and symbolism is a key tool for creating such depth. Abstract photography is not just about capturing moments, it's about creating a space where both the artist and the viewer engage in a dynamic, ongoing dialogue. In this type of work, the audience becomes an active participant in a creative process, helping to shape the meaning and emotional impact of your photographs. It's a two-way street, where your vision as an artist meets the interpretation and emotional response of the viewers. This collaborative interaction elevates the artwork, making it more than just a passive viewing experience. The beauty of abstract photography is that there is no right or wrong answer. There is no single interpretation that can define the meaning of a photograph. Your art is a reflection of your individuality and your artistic journey. When you embrace this freedom, you allow yourself to explore, experiment, and grow as a photographer. Don't be afraid to express yourself fully, even if your work challenges norms and provokes strong reactions. The most impactful art often comes from places of boldness and authenticity. And that's a wrap for part 1 of our exploration into the world of abstract photography. We've delved into the power of emotions, symbolism, and the role of interpretation in creating meaningful personal images. Remember, abstract photography is all about pushing the boundaries of creativity, inviting your audience to engage, and allowing them to discover their own connection to the work. In the second part of our series, we will focus on transforming your observations and creative ideas into stunning abstract photographs. Together, we will explore practical steps to develop your skills, including composition techniques and the use of visual elements to enhance your storytelling. This video will equip you with tools to tell powerful stories through abstraction. So grab your camera and let's bring your vision to life. The first step to mastering abstract photography is to immerse yourself in the work of renowned abstract photographers. This isn't just about admiring their images, it's about studying them closely to understand how they use visual elements to create meaning, evoke emotions, and tell stories in ways that transcend the literal. Look at the works of photographers who have significantly contributed to the field of abstract photography. Iconic figures such as Man Ray, Aaron Siskind, and Mina White pioneered the way for abstract expression in photography, each with their own distinctive style. By analyzing their compositions, you begin to see the methods and techniques they use to translate the intangible ideas into visual form. Pay attention to how they break away from traditional photography rules, experimenting with exposure, lighting, and texture to convey emotion and narrative. Abstract photography is often about discovering hidden beauty in the everyday, finding significance in the mundane, and transforming ordinary moments into extraordinary images. To truly master abstract photography, it's crucial to train your eye to see the world around you in a different light. This requires a shift in perspective, looking beyond what's immediately visible and recognizing the world's potential to tell a story through shapes, texture, and colors that aren't always obvious at first glance. As you observe the world around you, think about the emotions, ideas, or narratives that the different objects or scenes may evoke. An abstract photograph can function as a metaphor for complex themes like love, loss, transformation, or growth. The key is to look beyond the literal, to capture not just what is in front of you, but also the emotion or idea that it represents. Abstract photography is more than just capturing random shapes, colors, or textures. It's about conveying a deeper message, emotion, or idea. To create powerful abstract photographs, it's essential to start with a clear understanding of the theme or concept you want to explore. By identifying these themes beforehand, you give your creative process direction, making your images more intentional and meaningful. Rather than letting the camera capture whatever appears in front of you, you take control and use abstract elements to tell a story or evoke a feeling. Before you pick up your camera, take some time to think about the underlying concept or idea you want to explore through your photography. By identifying the theme early on, you provide yourself with a roadmap that will guide your shooting process. For instance, if you choose to explore the theme of growth, you might seek out natural elements like sprouting plants, textures that suggest renewal, or patterns that evoke the passage of time. If your theme is contrast, you may focus on juxtapositioning harsh textures with delicate ones, or strong bold colors with subtle muted shades. Starting with a clear concept allows you to remain focused, ensuring that every composition and visual element serves your overall theme. Lighting is one of the most powerful tools at your disposal for evoking mood and atmosphere. The way light interacts with your subject can dramatically influence how your image is perceived and the emotion it evokes in the viewer. By understanding how different types of light, whether soft, harsh, cool, or warm, affect your subject, you can craft an environment that resonates emotionally with the viewer. One of the most powerful aspects of abstract photography is its ability to convey deep emotions, ideas, and stories with minimal elements. By embracing simplicity and minimalism, you can create images that invite the viewer to engage with the photograph on a more personal level. For example, a single line, shape, or color can become a focal point of the photograph, telling a complete story without the need for complex context. This approach is powerful because it allows you to communicate your message through abstraction, where the viewer's emotional or intellectual response to the image becomes a part of the narrative. Mastering abstract photography, like any form of creative expression, requires time, dedication, and willingness to experiment. The beauty of abstract photography lies in its freedom, the freedom to break away from conventional rules and explore new ways of seeing the world. The more you practice and experiment, the more you will refine your creative vision and develop your own unique style. So take a leap, trust the process, and don't be afraid to explore the endless possibilities that abstract photography offers. Remember, abstract photography is subjective, and what one viewer interprets from an image might differ from another's interpretation. Embrace the diversity of perspectives and enjoy the journey of translating stories into abstract visual art. If you are ready to dive deeper into the world of abstract photography and unlock the full potential of your creative vision, I invite you to join my online course, The Secret Language of Abstract Photography. Together, we will explore advanced techniques to take your abstract photography to the next level. Thanks for joining me today. Keep shooting, keep creating, and until next time, happy storytelling!